Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Let's see today's topic. It is classify angles. So what's our objective? To see concepts of angle measurement to classify angles. So early we have seen about the turns in a circle, but today we are going to classify them. That means more than the turns. Now the first vocabulary that you are going to see is called a degree. What means degree? Degree, it is angles. It can be measured in more precise way than turns. This is what I told you, that we are going to precise more than turns. The unit which is used to measure an angle is called a degree. Now in a circle, it is made up of 360 degree. I have a circle and it is made up of 360 degree. This is the symbol for the degree. So I wrote it as 360 degree. So this is the full turn. This is a full turn of 360 degree. Now what is the meaning of 1 degree angle? What it is the meaning of 1 degree? That means an angle that turns through 1 out of 360. It is 1 out of 360 of a circle. It is called as a 1 degree. That means 1 out of 360. This is the turn. Now that means 361 degree angles sharing, it is sharing the same end point to make a circle. When it is making a circle, it is sharing the same end point. Now when I say you about to classify the angles, it can be classified as right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. These 3 angles you are learning today. So first, when I say right angle, that means it is a measure of 90 degree. It is a measure of 90 degree and it is represented with this symbol. If you see this symbol, a square corner, that means this is called a right angle, which is a measure of 90 degree. This one, it is a measure of 90 degree. This is making a right angle. But when I say an acute angle, this is called an acute angle. It is less than 90. It is less than 90. But greater than 0 degree. Okay? It is not 0 degree. It is greater than 0 but less than 90. So this is making an acute angle. Whereas the obtuse is the opposite one. It is greater than 90. 90 is here. 90 is this one. When I am going more than 90, it becomes obtuse. Now I will just demonstrate it in a simple way with using my hands. I want you to repeat with me. This is right angle. And it says that it is a measure of 90 degree. 90 degree. This is right angle. Acute angle. This is called an acute angle. This is 90. I am going less than 90 is called an acute angle. But whereas obtuse, this is 90. When I say obtuse, I have to spread my hands to make an obtuse angle. That means it is more than 90. This is 90, right angle, acute, less than 90, obtuse, more than 90. Obtuse, right, acute. This is how you are doing the angles. I hope it was easy using your hands. Now let us solve some problems. Here I have a circle. And if you see properly, the 2 rays and with a turn. And this is showing that it is a half turn. half turn. In a circle, I told you there are 360 degrees. The circle is making full turn. It is 360. When I say half, it is 90 degree. And this is right and this is 90. When I join these two, 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90, how much you will get it? It is 180 degree. That means this 2 is half. 90 plus 90 and this is 90 plus 90. When you add all the 90s, you will get it as 360 degree. Now here it is 180 degree. This is how you measure the angle. What about the next one? What it is saying that this angle is showing that it is called a right angle. That means right angle, it measures, you see the square corner, this is the symbol. We should remember this is the symbol. Now this one is how much turn? What is the turn? 1/4 turn. And what about the angle? This one is 90 degree. 90 degree. Now, what do you tell this one? This is the right angle. This one is called as a right angle. Okay? But what about this? This is not half, but this one is more than right angle, which is called as obtuse angle. What is the name of this? Obtuse angle. Now, what about this angle? What do you tell this angle? Now, if you see this is less than 90, here is the 90. I am going inside to make it as less. If you see, this one is less than, which says that it is a acute angle. These are the names of the angles, but this one, when I am using in the circle, I am writing it with the turns and the measure of angle. So this is obtuse, more than 90, less than 90 is called an acute. Now let's grade the lesson. Now this is how you grade using the chart. How well do you know the lesson? From 1 to 4. If you choose the number 1, that means you don't know the lesson and you need to watch the video again. It's okay, no problem, you can watch. If you choose the number 2, that means you need a little bit of practice. And if you choose number 3, that means you can do it by yourself. Wow, wonderful. But if you choose number 4, which says that you know the lesson, you can do it by yourself and you can explain it to someone else. Wow, how wonderful, you can explain it. Now, I hope this video helped you a lot in understanding the lesson. It was very easy lesson. So, thank you for watching my video.